Beneath the restless waves of the Atlantic lies a world few have ever imagined. Towers of gleaming minerals, bizarre life thriving where sunlight never reaches. On Fact Channels, we're shining our flashlight into the Lost City Hydrothermal Field, a place where science blurs with legend and every bubble tells a story about Earth's most mysterious plumbing system. So buckle up, you might just lose your bearings, and maybe even what you thought you knew about life itself. Out in the pitch-black depths of the Atlantic, where sunlight never dares intrude, lies a domain both ancient and alien, an underwater landscape that hums with geologic breath. This is the Lost City Hydrothermal Field. Imagine an undersea skyline rising from a mountaintop 2/3 of a mile below the waves. Monoliths of calcium and magnesium, carbonate, some soaring taller than a 15-story building, sculpted not by hands or water, but by time and chemistry itself. Unlike the infamous black smokers belching smoke elsewhere on the mid-Atlantic ridge, Lost City's vents exhale warm, ghostly fluids rich in hydrogen and methane, a chemical kitchen concocting mysteries far older than humanity. In 2000, submersible pilots glimpsed glimmering towers where none were expected. Their cameras captured creamy white chimneys that seemed to glow from within, an ethereal city unmapped on any chart. What makes Lost City astonishing isn't just its beauty but its uniqueness. This isn't volcanic activity. Here, serpentinization transforms peridotite to serpentinite, unleashing heat and gases in a process that may have powered the very first life on Earth. The warm alkaline plumes streaming from these spires bubble with energy, liquid riddles holding clues to primordial origins, an oasis where life survives not on sunlight, but on the raw exhalations of stone. Startlingly, life thrives here in forms poorly known anywhere else. Bloated snails with armored plates, microbes subsisting solely on hydrogen, even polychaete worms dancing through mineral flutes like ghosts adrift in lunar palaces. For every visible inhabitant, billions more exist unseen, a hidden world of archaea and bacteria feasting on sparse fuel, spinning out entire microscopic civilizations that may resemble those shaping other worlds. Lost City's environment is a paradox, fiercely alkaline yet gentle, devoid of the toxic metals from volcanic vents but rich instead in chemicals that may mirror early Earth, or even potential ecosystems beneath Europa's icy crust. What if this hydrothermal field isn't just an oddity, but a blueprint? Some scientists believe such settings may be cradles for life across the cosmos, a planetary nursery where geochemistry writes biology's earliest chapters. There's drama in the chemistry itself, where hot fluids leach ancient rock, their chemical reactions forging molecules more complex than the sum of their parts. Some researchers have coaxed simple amino acids from mixtures resembling these very vent fluids. Humans have barely scratched Lost City's surface. Only a handful of dives have mapped its towers. Its full expanse remains unknown. Each expedition risks damaging a field millions of years in the making, with equipment designed for elsewhere. Isolated as it is, hundreds of miles from land, shrouded beneath leagues of water, it's also at risk. Proposed deep-sea mining ventures threaten damage before we've unraveled even a fraction of its secrets. But hope rises as international coalitions urge protection for Lost City. They see not only scientific value but a living archive, a geological Rosetta Stone chronicling life's deep-time origins beyond fossil records' reach. In contemplating Lost City, we look both inward to our planet's earliest beginnings and outward toward distant worlds. Here amid silence and stone towers lies evidence that life's most unlikely crucible may be neither land nor sunlit sea, but these hidden underworlds bridging rock and ocean. If you enjoyed these facts, give us a like and hit subscribe for more surprises every week.